With no cooking required, low in calories, easy to digest, rich in probiotics, hydrating and super cooling, beat the summer heat with this nutritive curd mixed vegetable poha recipe. Welcome to water gravy. To a bowl, add 1 1/4 cup of poha, also called as beaten or flattened rice, rice flakes, Aval, Avalakki. Rice flakes are one of the many traditional products in India. Easy to digest, they are prepared from parboiled rice by soaking the paddy, boiling in water, heating and pounding the rice to flatten it to different thicknesses. Its nutritive content is equal to that of parboiled rice. This poha is of medium thickness. Rinse in water 2 to 3 times. Drain the water and set aside. Rice flakes are a good source of B-complex vitamins, niacin and importantly iron. Take 1 medium-sized cucumber. Cut the ends. Peel the skin. If the cucumber is organic and tender, you can use with the skin. Grate it. Low in calories and high in nutrients, cucumber not only promotes hydration but is also high in fiber. Take 1 small bottle gourd, also called as calabash, lauki, dudi, sorekai, choraka, lau. It is probably one of the first plants used worldwide. I am using 1/2 of a bottle gourd. Cut the end, peel the skin. Cut into pieces vertically and remove the soft, spongy portion with the seeds from inside. Grate the bottle gourd. Squeeze the bottle gourd and extract the juice. Bottle gourd or lauki juice is highly beneficial for boosting our digestive systems. It treats flatulence and acidity and acts as a liver tonic. Take 1 carrot. Cut the shoots, the ends and grate. As the carrot is fresh and organic, I am using with the skin. To the washed and drained poha, add the grated cucumber, add the bottle gourd juice. This is around 1/4 cup. Add half a teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt. Mix lightly. And add the grated carrot. Mix everything well. All the vegetables added are alkaline, high in fiber, cooling in nature and aid in weight loss. Once salt is added, the water content from the raw vegetables will be released, and as bottle gourd juice has also been added, there is no additional water required to soak the poha. This flattened rice can be consumed with very little to no cooking, and when added to any liquid, these flakes of rice swell by absorbing the liquid. In case the vegetables are not juicy, you can add 2 to 3 more tablespoons of water. Close and allow to soak for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the poha is well soaked. Mash it slightly. As with curd or yogurt, it tastes better when slightly mashed. If you like the grains to be separate, you can prepare it without mashing. Now add the set curd and mix. The manufacturing process of poha subjects it to fermentation, making it probiotic, and curd also being high in probiotics, both together enhance gut health, aid in digestion, and improve immunity. Add some more curd. Keep adding up to the required quantity. Mix well and set aside. To prepare the seasoning, heat a fry pan. First, I'm going to fry the cashew nuts. Add 1 tablespoon ghee. To this, add 1 tablespoon of split cashew nuts. Fry until golden brown and remove. To the remaining ghee, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seed starts sputtering, add 1 teaspoon of chana dal. Fry for a minute and add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds start crackling, add 1 green chili split and 1-inch piece of ginger finely chopped. Fry and add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Fry. Cumin, ginger and asafoetida are all great digestive aids. Add a few curry leaves and the grated bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is abundant in water. It contains all essential nutrients such as vitamin B, C, K, E, A, also iron, magnesium, folate and potassium. Extremely beneficial for the heart. It helps to keep blood pressure under check. Fry until the bottle gourd becomes soft. It is also anti-aging, adding luster to the skin and hair. Switch off the stove and allow to cool. Add the seasoning to the mixed vegetable poha to which curd has been added. Mix well. Both bottle gourd and curd act as stress busters and have a calming effect on the body. Transfer the curd mixed vegetable poha to a bowl. Sprinkle some finely chopped coriander leaves and a little bit of the seasoning. And garnish with the fried cashew nuts. Enjoy the soothing, refreshing, nutritive and super cooling curd mixed vegetable poha as such or with pickle and curd chili. Makes for an ideal and healthy summer lunchbox recipe too. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching the video, press the like button and subscribe to keep posted on more such interesting recipes. Would love to hear from you.